Welcome to my channel. Today we see relationship between molarity and mole fraction. You know what is molarity, what is mole fraction. These two are the units for expressing the concentration of solution. That's called molarity mole fraction. We have number of methods to express the concentration of solution. What is called concentration of solution? Suppose if I take a solution, the solution contains some amount of solute in this solution. I take a solution, it contains some known quantity of solute in this solution. Then when can I say the solution's concentration is known? When can we say the concentration of this solution is known? If I know the amount of solute in a given volume of solution is known, I say the concentration of the solution is known. When can we say the concentration of the solution is known? In the given solution, in the given volume of the solution, if the known quantity of solute is present, we say the concentration of the solution is known. These two are the methods to express the concentration. We have number of methods: molarity, molality, formality, mole fraction, parts per million. Like that we have number of methods, or we have number of units to measure the concentration. These two are the methods to express the concentration. I take what is molarity. You all know, represented by the letter M. If I take a solution, how to find out the concentration of this solution using molarity? Molarity means, you all know that here, number of moles of solute in that solution by volume of solution in liter. The number of moles of solute is represented by N. It is B. NB. NB means number of moles of solute. Volume of solution is represented by V. I write here NB by V. That is volume of solution. If the volume of solution is known in milliliter, you divide this by 1000 and get it in liter. That means NB into 1000 by it is V. That is called molarity. What is called mole fraction? You all know that here mole fraction. What is called mole fraction? Suppose if I take a solution, it consists of solute plus solvent. Number of moles of solvent, I say it is represented by N, it is A. Number of moles of solute is represented by N, B. Then for mole fraction for this solution, this mole fraction is given separately for solute and solvent. I first to find out the mole fraction of solute or solvent. I take mole fraction of solvent, that is represented by letter X. Here A means it is a mole fraction of solvent. How to find out the mole fraction of solvent? You all know that here, that is the number of moles of solvent, that is Na by total number of moles of the solution. What are the things present in solution? Solute plus solvent. So I can go for Na plus Nb. Then we come to the mole fraction of then you come to here, it is solute. That solute, mole fraction of solute. Solute is equal to, it is the number of moles of solute. It is number of moles of solute by total number of moles of solution. That is Na plus it is Nb. Total number of moles of solution. Right. What we are now going to see, the relationship between the molarity and normal mole fraction of solution. Suppose I take a solution. It's a solution. For this, if I find molarity and if I find the mole fraction, how these two are related, that is called the relationship between these two. To know the relationship between these two, I take a solution. the solution which contains solute and solvent. Which contain solute and solvent. Here the number of solute I write it is NB, number of solvent I write here N, it is A. It is number of moles of solute and number of moles of solute molecular weight I keep, it is MB. Solvent molecular weight I keep here MA. If I want to know the weight of solute or mass of solute is equal to if I multiply the molecular mass by number of moles, I get mass. So I want to know the mass of then solvent. Mass of solvent is equal to its number of moles into its molecular weight. So here mass of solute. How to find out the mass of solute? To find out the mass of solute, we can go for here its number of moles into its molecular weight. It is MB. That is called mass of solute, right? Then I can go for I take a solution. Here I take a solution. I want to find out first mass of the solution. It's for this I find out here mass of solution. Mass of solution means it is a mass of solvent plus mass of solute. So mass of the solvent is known to you. What is the mass of the solvent? It is Na into Ma plus mass of the solute, it is Nb into Mb. That is, it is mass of solution. Mass of solution. After finding out the mass of the solution, I can go for the formula for density. What is called density? Density is equal to mass by volume. I want to, mass is known, I want to know the volume. So I take volume this side. Volume is equal to mass by density. I write D. D stands for density. What is the mass? Mass is given. It is Na into Ma plus it is Nb into Mb whole divided by density D. And go for whole divided by density D. I know what is the formula for molarity. Molarity is equal to, already I told you it is Nb. Already I told you it is molarity is equal to Nb by V by 1000 or Nb into 1000 by V. 1000 by V. Already I told you here. I told you it is Nb by V by 1000. Why I put V by 1000? I get this in liter. So Nb into 1000 by V. So it is V. That I write here. From this here I take what is the volume. Here you see volume. Then here volume is equal to, it is Na into Ma into Nb into Mb whole divided by it is D. I want to know here what is the volume. So for volume I write here this term by D for this. So I write it is Nb into 1000 whole divided by V. V Na into this. So it is Na into Ma plus Nb into Mb whole divided by D, that I take in D this side. So what is molarity? Molarity is equal to, it is Nb into 1000 into D whole divided by it is Na into Ma plus it is Nb into Mb. This one. So what I do here, both the sides here, then numerator and denominator I divide this by. So numerator and denominators both are divided by Na divided by Na plus Nb. Both numerator and denominator divided by Na by Nb. So if I is a numerator, this is. So numerator means I take this term and divide by that. I write Nb by Na plus Nb. This is Na by Nb. Here I wrote here into 1000 into D. This is denominator. Denominator I divide this by here this denominator, it is Na into Ma whole divided by Na plus Nb, plus here it is Nb, here it is Nb into Mb whole divided by Na plus Mb. Na into Nb, not Mb, Nb. This I write. Now when I solve this, what happens here? Na by Nb means number of moles of solute by total number of moles of solution. That is called mole fraction of the solute. So I write here this molarity is equal to this is the term here. Instead of this, what I write here means I write here xb. What is called x? It is a b. B stands for that is a solute. So it is mole fraction of solute into 1000 into D whole divided by what we are getting here. What is this term? Na by Na plus Nb. This one is called mole fraction of solvent. So it is mole fraction of solvent A, mole fraction of solvent A into molecular mass of solvent plus mole fraction of this is mole fraction of solute, that is Xb into here molecular mass or molar mass of then B, it is Mb. This. So if a solution is given to you, how to know the relationship between molarity for this solution? For this solution, you write the mole fraction of, this is called mole fraction of solute. You write the mole fraction of solute and into 1000 into its density of the solution by mole fraction of solvent into its molecular weight plus mole fraction of solute into molecular weight. In this way, both molarity and mole fractions are related. Thanks for watching my video.